Hi YouTube, doing a bike check on Christmas today, 2010. My brand new flip. I'll start with the front. Blue animal bar ends. The reason why they're blue is because when I painted my bike, I put them inside the cover of the bearings and they just turned blue. Red Edwin De La Rosa grips. They're in the worn down part, or worn down time, so they're really nice. Time Moral high bars, 29 wide. 8.5 high. Poverty Recession stem. I got it with the bike when I bought it. I'm going to be getting a new one soon for my birthday. Sputnik headset, 45-degree integrated. Nitrous OG forks with a Kenda tire. Odyssey rim. Fly Bikes front hub. I got a 2009 Eastern Trail Digger frame. I know it's blue. I painted it. With my new Scott today metal bike spade pivotal seat with the animal and green pivotal post. Animal Steve Hamilton plastic pedals with a mechanic half-link chain, not the hollow. Nitrous shifter cranks. I know they're cheap, but I bought them and I like them a lot. Eastern Medusa V2 sprocket, moving down to the back. Eastern bidirectional cassette hub, stock rim, a GT's bikes tire, and I don't know, it's kind of spokes, but did I mention everything? Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. My name is Gazelle25. Subscribe.